Hi everyone, I'm Maria, and today we're going to be talking about work orders. Woo! Okay, so if you have a government funded loan, you might come across these when you're going to buy a house. So a work order would be anything from fixing peeling paint to fixing rotting wood on a house. If you do have a government loan, this could be something that would cause you to not be able to make an offer on that property that will have work orders. But say that you are a capable buyer who knows that you can go and fix that paint or can fix that wood, then that would be something that in your offer you would want to write, buyer to assume all work orders. Before closing, you would be given some time to go in there and fix it. You can bring a group, you could go by yourself, you can bring a contractor, you can do whatever to get them done. And that can definitely make your offer stronger. It opens your offer up to more houses. So yeah, that'd be something to think about. Look into work orders, see if you think that you'd be able to actually do those things. And if you can, talk to your agent and put that in your offer because that'll make your offer stronger.